Hey everyone! Earth Day is coming up and we're here to show you how to save the planet in a creative way. So we'll be using recyclable items to create succulent arrangements like these. Owen here has green fingers and he's going to be showing us how to create it. Okay, so let's get started.
Sure.
So Owen is putting the soil into the can. Owen, how many succulents do you think you've created so far?
You mean like succulent arrangements?
Yeah.
I think I've created 5 at least. It's a really great gift for birthdays or anniversaries.
Oh,
So yeah.
sure.
Okay, so now you see it's almost done right here. What's left is just to decorate the container.
So we've printed out from our Tropical Paradise sticker pack some leaves. And I'm just gonna use tape to tape it together. This would be perfect for summer.
Exactly. I feel like it's gonna be a really great graduation gift as well, right?
Yeah.
Because graduation's coming up, and
My brother's graduating.
Yeah, and we actually have graduation sticker pack.
And Mother's Day is coming up soon too.
Yeah.
We should create another one for Mother's Day.
Totally.
Let us know if you want us to create anything else.
Or if you have anything if you have anything in mind that you want to see us do during live videos or pre-recorded videos as well.
Let us know in the comments,
Yep.
and we'll do our best to create videos for you.
Happy
Thank you.
PicCollaging. Bye.
Bye.